Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen mari hamwe na munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja mekinyitie Ntonyiri gicigo-ini kia Igembe ya Rugongo kaunti-ini ya Meru kuruguria ceceni ya kwinorerwo ni makurutu a borithi aria mareruta wira kiria kiratanywo guteithia hari kung'ethanira na uhaguku wa ugitiri kaunti-ini ino.
The recruits whose field simulations we are opening today commenced their training on 24th November 2025. For the last 5 months, they have undertaken rigorous training in all aspects of police work.
And we have brought this training here, not just to expose our recruits to proper training ground, but also that this training camp will be a buffer zone that will provide security, proper security to the people of Meru and the people of Isiolo and people of Laikipia.
Murkomen ni ataririe umithio munene uria wonekete kumana na kio gia thirikari kung'ethanira na wiki nae wa uici wa mahiu uria uhutitie Meru, kaunti cia rugongo wa bururi o hamwe na kaunti imwe cia Rift Valley.
As a result of the operation that has been going on from here all the way to Mokogodo Forest, we have so far recovered 55 guns and we recovered 382 ammunitions as a result of this operation. This operation also ensure that we recovered over 100 livestock, about 108 cattle.
Akihinyiriria wirutiri wa thirikari hari kugacirithia ugitiri ni arutite mukana muhiu kuri nyanake iria ikoretwo ikihuthika guthoga thayo kundu gutiganitie Kimera thiko yao ya 40 ni irakia na yakia makari na ritho rimwe mahingite riria ringi.
We will come for you and come for you hard. We have done so in Kitale, and I see the leaders from that area are making a lot of noise. Wanapiga kelele ati tumekujia, ati tumesumbua maguns, tumenyang'anya hao panga na marungu, na tumewanyang'anya ile silaha wamekuwa kutumia. Sasa viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa wanatupigia kelele. Hiyo kelele bado, kwanza unapiga hiyo kelele mapema. Bado tutanyorosha guns mpaka sponsors yao watalia machozi.
Oro itemini ria kugacirithia ugitiri, Murkomen augite ati ica ikuhi ni megukorwo makiruguria njira iria ya Kenya mariandikithagia riboti kuri borithi kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu mategubatara guthie ceceni-ini cia borithi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.